Ottawa home buyers, rates are still low compared to last year, but inflation is ticking up. And if the Bank of Canada raises rates again, your buying power could drop fast. Here's where we're at now. The Bank of Canada rates are still sitting at 2.75 after a few drops this year. And the 5-year mortgage rates are hovering around 4 to 5% with major lenders. The Ottawa market is balanced with more listings to choose from, but prices are creeping up. The average home that sold in July this year was $700,000, which is 2% higher than last year. But here's the risk. Inflation is heating up again. And if that happens, the Bank of Canada could reverse course and raise rates again. Even a small bump could mean hundreds of dollars on your monthly mortgage. Right now, you can lock in your rate for up to 120 days. Shop with less competition compared to last year. Negotiate better terms while inventory is up 14% from last summer. And if you wait too long, not only could rates climb, but more buyers will rush in. And those balanced conditions, they could vanish overnight. So if you feel you're sitting on the fence, this is your window. DM me the word ready and I'll send you my Ottawa's Buyers Game Plan, complete with a same-day pre-approval connection and my top 3 must-see deals this week.